Step into the spotlight and be the life of the party with our exclusive 4-piece set light-up bow tie. Crafted for those who love to stand out, these bow ties are not just accessories, they're a statement. Vibrant neon glow. Each bow tie is embedded with high-quality LED lights that offer a radiant neon glow, ensuring you're the center of attention wherever you go. Versatile wear. Whether it's a formal event, a fun party, or a festive holiday gathering, these ties fit every occasion. Designed for men, women, and kids, they're the perfect accessory for the entire family. Adjustable comfort. With an easy-to-use adjustable strap, these bow ties ensure a comfortable fit for all neck sizes. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to style and convenience. Durable and safe. Made with premium materials, these ties are built to last. The LED lights are energy efficient and safe to wear, giving you peace of mind. Set of 4. Why settle for one when you can have 4? Mix and match colors or share with friends and family. They make for a fantastic gift too. Light up the night. Whether you're dressing up for a costume party, celebrating a special occasion, or just looking to add a touch of fun to your outfit, our light-up bow tie set is the perfect choice. Turn heads, spark conversations, and enjoy the limelight. Go to www.loveyourlighting.com. That's loveyourlighting.com.